Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the new topic Samson Agnestes by John Milton. John Milton was born on December 9, 1608 in London and he died in the same city on November 8, 1674. He was English poet, pamphleteer and historian and he was considered the most significant English author after William Shakespeare. Milton is best known for Paradise Lost, widely regarded as the greatest epic poem in English. Together with Paradise Regained and Samson Agnestes, it confirms Milton's reputation as one of the greatest English poets. Epic poems are very long and they deal with the prominent historical figures of the past. Paradise Lost deals with the story of Adam and Eve and how they were thrown out from the paradise just because of their one mistake of eating the forbidden fruit. Paradise Regained is a continuation of Paradise Lost, written by John Milton afterwards, and it tells about that how humans are going to get their status of paradise back after spending their life on this earth. Samson Agnestes is another epic poem from Milton, and it talks about Samson the Great, who was given superhuman strength by God. Milton's poetry and prose reflect deep personal convictions, a passion for freedom and self-determination, and the urgent issues and political turbulence of his day. Samson Agnestes, or by the Greeks, Samson the Athlete, or Samson the Wrestler, written by John Milton as a tragedy, was published in the same volume as his epic Paradise Regained in 1671. It is considered the greatest English drama based on the Greek model and is known as closet tragedy, a poem one more suited for reading than performance. The work deals with the final phase of Samson's life and recounts the story as told in the biblical book of Judges. John Milton was himself blind when he wrote Samson Agnestes. It's very important to note that John Milton has gone blind while working on Paradise Lost, and later when he has written these two epics, he was blind. Milton's depict Samson, the one mighty warrior, was blinded and imprisoned by the Philistines, Ailes and Gaza at the mill with slaves. It is one line from this long poem of Samson Agnestes. Samson conquers the self-pity and despair in which he has gone just because he was captured by his enemies. And the most interesting thing is that he was deceived by his own wife called Delilah. She actually gave out the secret of Samson, that his strength lies in his hair, and she chopped off Samson's hair and the Samson loses power eventually and is granted a return of his old strength. Afterwards, when his hairs were grown back again, he got his strength back. But he was so much depressed that he was not able to come out of it. Gradually, he climbed out of his own self-pity and despair and wishes to gain his honor back. And one day, what happens that he pulls down the pillars that support the temple of the Philistine god Dagon, where he was brought to entertain, and in this process he crushed himself with the captors. Now what happened is that one day Samson was brought to the temple of the god called Dagon. They were celebrating and were having the feast. Everyone was over there. Samson has actually regained his strength back, but he has not shown it. So over there he performed as he was asked, and later on he, with all his might, shook the pillars which were holding the temple ceiling and broke it. What happened is next is that ceiling dropped on everyone who was having the feast and were enjoying the party, and Samson also died with the enemies of his. So this was the story of Samson Agnestes, and this is for today. Thank you. We will continue with the poem in the next lecture.